Hi guys, James here again. Cardone Capital has responded to the lawsuit from first class action lawsuit filed in California by a gentleman who was a unaccredited investor who invested $10,000 in the two funds, 5 and 6. And he wasn't a happy camper, obviously. They filed a lawsuit and is looking for class action status. Well, we'll see how that goes. But it's 60 days to get other people involved. That's the law, but we'll see how it goes. So Cardone Capital said they offered to return the money to the gentleman, but the gentleman refused. So they said the gentleman has other agenda. Yeah, I guess that's probably correct. Just like Grant had an agenda to stuff his pockets with investors' cash and not tell him what he was doing. It's going to be a nasty battle ahead. There's no other way around it. You know, Grant's not going to make any real statements. It's all going to come through Cardone Capital because he's a private citizen, even though he was the CEO and the founder of Cardone Capital. You know, the SEC is definitely investigating now because on July 30th, 2018, they sent a letter to Cardone Capital to cease and desist on continuing to say that people will get 15% return plus a monthly dividend, which they didn't do. They kept doing it. They kept putting in all their literature and all the videos on YouTube. So, you know, all the evidence is there against Grant. It's not like this is all made up. It's all there. You know, I mean, it's kind of obvious what was going on. Loaning money to the fund to buy property from him, then charge 6% to the investors. It's really outlandish. People really, and I was just on Grant's site, and people continue to, Uncle G, he's the man. You are the guy. I was like, what's wrong with these people? What's wrong with these people? This guy continues to pull the blinds over everybody's eyes, and they just don't see it. Because people get desperate. You know, we've been in a pandemic for the last couple of months, and it's really sad to see how people are reacting to this. But Grant probably won't make any statements. All statements will be coming from Cardone Capital since they're a controlled equity fund. Grant is just the CEO and a private person. We'll see how it goes. We'll see if he brings out, makes a statement, or tries to ignore everything. You know, because it's all coming down. All these investigations are going to be coming down. So I'm going to contact Cardone Capital. I'm going to send an email to Cardone Capital, see how they respond. See if they respond to me at all. You know, I'm not an investor. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not an investor. I'm just a person that's giving you a public service announcement. So stay tuned. More to come about Grant Cardone and Cardone Capital. Be good. Stay safe.